12, I think 12 is quite difficult. I know when I showed a lot of people how to do this, they said, oh, that's much easier than I thought. But I think it's a difficult question because there's so many different things you can try and they end up not getting you anywhere. But what you have to do is you have to show that the area of the shaded section, this bit here, is that there. So what you're looking to do is find out what this is and what this is and multiply them together because that's area of rectangle, and we should be getting this here. The problem is just finding these bits here. Read the question properly. They are all squares. All these shapes are squares. Two overlapping squares of sides x and x plus 1. So I know that this thing here is a square. We know that the x plus 1 is a square. We know that the big thing is a square because it says here. And we also know, which is the most important bit, it says the area of the overlapping square is 9. So we know that this is a square. And because we know that's a square, you can then work out that this length is 3 and this length is 3. Now that's the key point, reading this bit here and knowing that's 3. This then helps you work out the dimensions of this rectangle. So we need to try and write the lengths and the widths and find an expression for the lengths and the widths. Well, because all of this is x here, so all of this is x, so that means this bit here must be x subtract 3. So if all of this is x, take off 3, that's going to be x subtract 3. So that's going to be the length of this bit, or the width of the rectangle. Similarly, we'll do that here. The length of this whole line here is x plus 1. But then we're going to take off 3 so that we just get this bit. So all of this is x plus 1, subtract 3. Well, if you've got x plus 1 and you subtract 3, that's the same as x minus 2, just to keep things simple. So this is x minus 2. And then it's pretty easy from there. You need to multiply them together. X minus 2 multiplies x minus 3. Just use foil or smiley face, whatever you want. X squared minus 3x, we want the minus 2 now, minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. Tidy that up and you get what they want you to get, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6. So 4 marks there, but you've got to make sure that you spot this key bit about this length being 3.